seabed. All right, so we're here, waiting to pick up one of my buddies to go to the beach. We decided to do this spontaneously right after work because, you know, life is a beach sometimes. And now I'm just waiting for him. And we're gonna just see when he gets here.
An hour later.
We got him. It's finally here. We got the.
Whoa. Have your glasses for a sit on him.
You can sit on him. You can try. You're indestructible, just like my my dreams. Hey, don't step on the pizza.
I'm not gonna step on the pizza.
Why do you have popcorn all over the place? Don't worry about it. Don't judge. San Diego, where'd you go? Hey Johnny, we going back to your place?
Yeah. Right up the hill. Thought she was gonna go in the house for a second. Yeah. Fuck. We missed our chance.
Me in your house?
Yeah. I forgot she had another key.
Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Set up a motor, we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
We could take your Tinder photos out here, Johnny.